Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today it was raining so much in my place, so I was feeling to eat something crunchy and juicy. So in my home, my mom was preparing something crunchy, that's chicken fry. But chicken fry is something crunchy but not so juicy. So let's make it juicy. So for that, you have to take some oil, curry leaves, capsicum, tomatoes, and onions. Fry them very well so that it changes some colors and you get some crunchiness on that veggies also. And add salt, red chili, coriander powder, jeera powder, garam masala powder, and mix very well. Then add in that also add Szechuan sauce, green chili sauce, red chili sauce, and some soya sauce to give it a juicy and yummiest texture to my chicken. Then I added the chicken and mixed it very well. And at last I'm adding a little of vinegar, sugar, and the yummy and tastiest chicken is ready.